Hello 5th primary students, welcome to the second video of chapter 2 of Oliver Twist, which contains the indicative answers for the booklet. Let's start. In page 4, exercise B, give one word for a long box in which a dead person is carried to a funeral, a coffin. Number 2, unhappy, very sad, dark, and without hope, gloomy. An expression that is used to describe someone who is extremely thin, bag of bones, feeling angry and unhappy because someone has something that you wish you had, jealous, and the last one, to kill someone, murder. Now to exercise D, answer the following questions in page 5. Oh yes, he'll grow on our food and drink. Get downstairs, you little bag of bones. Comment, who said these words, to whom, why, and what does it signify? These words were said by Mrs. Sowerberry to Mr. Bumble at first and then to young Oliver. Mr. Bumble was trying to convince Mrs. Sowerberry that Oliver can be useful despite his size. She was convinced that the little boy was a waste of the family's food and money. She looked down on Oliver, and that quote signifies that the situation in London back then was dreadful, and no one helped the other, and no one was sympathetic towards young children who had nowhere to go. Instead of helping, the rich looked down on the poor. Question number 5 says, why was Noah jealous of Oliver, and what did he do to make Oliver cry? Noah was jealous of Oliver because Mr. Sowerberry treated the boy kindly. Noah made Oliver's life harder by hitting and annoying him all day long. When Oliver didn't care, Noah teased Oliver, saying that his mother was a bad woman. Oliver's face turned red and he got angry. He hit Noah to defend his mother, which showed how loyal Oliver was to his family, even though he had never met them. Question number 6 says, what did Oliver decide to do, and what things did he take with him? Oliver decided to leave the Sowerberry's house and travel to London to find a job, thinking that life on the streets would be more dignified than being insulted everywhere he went. He packed everything he had, which wasn't much, a shirt, 2 pairs of socks, a piece of bread, and a penny, in a handkerchief, and left hoping for a better life. That is the end of the video. Thank you for listening, and goodbye.